Birthday. Is it a special day? Every day is a special day. Every day is a blessing from Allah. Every day is a new life and an opportunity for us to work for Akhirah. Then why are you considered the birthday as your day? There is no basis for birthday in Islam. Wishing and celebrating birthday is not from Islam. It's an imitation of kuffar, disbeliever. यहाँ तो हमें फिक्र होनी चाहिए थी कि इतने सालों में हमने क्या किया, अल्लाह को पाया या खो दिया, हमने आखिरत के लिए क्या ज़ख़ीरा किया, क्या इकट्ठा किया. Islam teaches Muslims to have a unique character and to be distinguished. A Muslim is weaned on morality and avoiding blind imitation. The evidence in the Quran and Sunnah indicates that celebrating birthday is a kind of bid'ah in Islam which has no basis in the pure Sharia. It is not permitted to accept invitations to birthday celebrations because these involve supporting and encouraging bid'ah. Lighting of candles, playing of music, singing, showing off, mixing with non-mahram, drinking alcohol, shaking hands with non-mahram to congratulate one another are not permitted in Islam. In Hadith, our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Whoever copies other people is one of them." So the disbeliever celebrate those things, right? Do you wanna be one of them? Of course not, isn't it? So quite haram activities. So be a better Muslim. Celebrating birthday and anniversary and all is haram. It's sinful and bid'ah. So please quit doing haram activities. So please avoid such an innovative celebrations which are far away from Islam. And celebrating birthday has no source in the Sharia. In fact, it is a bid'ah. So please don't celebrate birthday as your day. May Allah guide us to the right path. Amin.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो अपने सोशल मीडिया नेटवर्क्स पर लाजमी शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलें. शुक्रिया.